Okay, we're outside Naga's bus station. Now, wherever you travel from in the Philippines to Naga, this is the bus station you're going to end up in. And a lot of foreigners don't go very far and actually go to the CBD Plaza Hotel and stay there. It's not one of the cheapest, but it's very nice inside, and it's a hotel we highlighted on that video where we were looking at hotels. Not our favourite, but you know, everybody to their own. We've not been in there, to be quite fair to the hotel, so we don't know what it's like in there. So the reason I'm here today, or me and Mel's here today, is our very good friends Adrian and Connie have come from the UK. We're going to see them, so we've just come down today. Well, we're not going to see them because Mel gets travel sickness, and the bus should be thrown up loads of times on the bus. Now, I wanted to show you this. They're doing the bus station up, and also they're starting the extension for SM, because SM's right next to the bus station, guys. So you arrive in Naga and you can walk straight into SM, get something to eat before you travel on to your next destination. So let me show you what's happening. They're extending SM out here, so all these stalls will be gone. And as you can see, they've started work here. SM's going to be massive here, absolutely massive. So I wanted to show you that because I thought you might find it interesting. I mean, the reason, so I've been told, a lot of prices are going up in Naga is it's absolutely booming in Naga. There's a lot of building, roads are being extended and sort of resurfaced and what have you. The infrastructure's getting better in Naga, so that's why it's a premium price. But still, as you go outside of Naga, you'll find land prices and that come down the further outside of Naga you get. But that's the same in any part of the Philippines. You go out in the provinces and land's a lot cheaper than what it is near a big city. So just bear that in mind. And as you can see, the kids are back at school, so everywhere is absolutely hustle and bustle. It's really busy. So I'll just go and find my bride, see what she's doing. So I need to find out how to get to Lucban. Now I know you get a bus so far and then you've got to get off the bus and get a jeepney the rest of the way, because buses, I believe, don't go all the way into Lucban. I could be wrong because I don't know. That's why I'm investigating. So, oh, sorry. So we'll try and find my good lady, and in the process show you around the bus station. You can get a bus pretty much anywhere from here. And you can even get peely nuts here as well. I love my nuts. No pun intended. Yeah, the problem is with Mel, she didn't want to come with me to Manila, but bless her, she come with me because she didn't want me going on my own. Here she is, look. And she must have threw up what, 10 to 12 times. And the thing about Mel that amazes me, makes me laugh, is she can throw up, right, then 10 minutes later she'll be hungry and eating. Now, I don't know about you, but if I've ever thrown up, that's me done for the day mostly.
I asked Kuya because he said that there's no bus going to Lucban. Just only Lucena. After Lucena, you're gonna need to ride a jeep going to Lucban.
Yeah, I know that. So I need to get a bus to Lucena.
Yeah, there.
Right.
I'm gonna ask him.
We need to know how much and what time the different times are the buses leave.
Okay.
Because I think I'll be travelling on the 14th.
Air conditioner
Yeah,
with CR.
yeah. Huh? I'll stay out here, babe. Because I'm videoing, so not everybody wants to be on video. So let's have a look round. As usual, there's loads of shops in these places and lots of food, so you can get something to eat as well. Every time I've been away and I know I'm getting near the bus station, I'm nearly home. It brings a smile to my face. I like going to different places, but I also like coming back home. And I see this is my home, not the UK. A lot will be amazed at that, I guess. But there you go, look. Plenty of places for food. So you can have something to eat before you go and when you come back. Or if you've just arrived in Naga. Calamari.
65.
Oh, look. Everything that's going to give you a heart attack, eh? Some nice cold sodas. Again, look. All the chips you could ever want.
Yes, Paul.
I love it how they say yes, like you've asked them a question. Oh, look at that, it's just pure fat. My God. And they wonder why diabetes kills most Filipinos. Next is heart attack, stroke, after that. It's because everything they eat, if they have a dessert, it has to be really, really sweet, otherwise they'll not eat it. And anything like, you know, your pork and stuff like that, it's salty to start with and then they pour loads more salt on it. And I'm not moaning or whining, I'm just stating fact. Look at that. These nuts you see in the containers are absolutely yummy. They are really, really nice. I love them. But if I want to keep losing my weight slowly, which I am doing, by the way, guys, if I have a day of what I do is, if I totally overeat one day because it's a party or something like that, then I make up for it next day by not eating anything or very little. You'll have to excuse me because my voice still isn't good. I've still got a bit of a cough. I feel alright, but every now and then I'll go into a coughing fit. So, I shouldn't have walked off really, because you'll wonder where I am. Hope she's still there. She's there, look. She's walking off, looking for me. She's seen me, it's alright. She'll tell me off now. No, she's going into a shop. She's going into another travel shop. I'll have to be like a little boy, you know, and tell the driver to make sure I get off at the right place. Now make sure he gets off at the right place, won't you? That's it. What's happening, Mel?
I went to the other bus company. It's a lunch break, and then I've been here. They have no available travel going to Lucena.
Right.
So we need to look other.
So which
bus.
company actually goes to there? Is there just one company, or is there more?
More, I think more. Some of them, it's a lunch break. Lunch break.
Right. Got a problem. It seems that the earliest bus I can get is 10 o'clock. Now if the bus is delayed, then I'm going to have a problem getting the jeepney, because I don't know how often the jeepneys run and when do they stop. I can't really take that risk to be stranded somewhere I don't know where I am. So it might be a no-go. We're looking to see if I can get earlier. I need to leave early morning to make sure I'm going to get a jeepney to where I need to get.
Jeepney around 5 to 6, they have
Huh?
5 or 6.
What if the bus breaks down or there's a problem?
You can contact Adrian to take you there.
Adrian's got no transport, Well,
Motorbike.
Adrian's got no transport. I can't risk. You'd risk me getting stranded there, would you? Yeah. I don't want either. Huh? There's no more. Yeah. So that's interesting, and it's more.
Interesting about what?
Well, it's easier for like Adrian to come to Naga, because he first gets a jeepney, then he gets the bus. So he's guaranteed a bus from where he gets. But going the other way, it's a bit dodgy if you leave too late. If I leave in the evening, that means I'm going to get there early morning, and then that's not good either. To be walking around a foreigner on your own, you don't know where you are, you don't know where to get the jeepney from straight away. So I might have to tell Adrian I can't come, which will be a bummer because I want to go. So this is the last one. There's lots of nice ladies come through the bus terminal, guys. I'm not suggesting you sit here looking at ladies like that. Just thought I'd say. Right, so Mel's just been in here and there's no early travel, so I can't risk it. So I'm gonna just tell Adrian I'm gonna have to miss his party, and I'm just gonna have to go Wedgwood, because Edward's going on the 17th. He's going and he would have been bringing me back, so I might as well play it safe and go Wedgwood. Yeah.
I'm comfortable.
Yeah. I'm still going to see my friend, and it's going to be easier. And then Mel can come as well. We'll take the kids. I think that's better than to do it the way I'm going to do, because the other thing is I'm going on my own, and Adrian and Connie wants to see the kids. So I think that's better if we all go on the 17th, and then I can help Edward out with the fuel. So I think that's what we're going to do, babe. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed our little run around the bus station.
It's a new.
Yeah, it's new. I had a bit of a shock because I turned my camera on, or attempted to turn my camera on, it wouldn't turn on. So I took it out, pulled the battery out, shoved it back in, and as you can see it's working. So heart attack over. We've just lost a major patron, guys. So it would be a lovely time to be one of our patrons now. If you've been thinking about being a patron, we'd really appreciate it. The link is in the description below this video to our Patreon account, and also PayPal if you'd like to make a one-off donation to our channel because you appreciate our videos. If not, just keep watching our videos and we'll appreciate your support that way. So over to you, my baby.
Please hit the like button and please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye. We're gonna go na to.
Please subscribe to Brick in the Philippines.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane.
Please subscribe to Brick